Hi guys, good morning. So guys, come with me as I'm going to share my... Go ahead. I'm going to share my day here in our house. Because today is our day off, it's rest day. So, it's, time check is... What time is it? It's 10:38 a.m. in the morning, so it's Sunday. And it's our free day. So magluluto muna ako ng ulam. And my partner there, he's going to cook the rice. You know, syempre we're Filipino. Rice is light. So I'm cooking dito ako sa labas nagluto. So I'm cooking, ano ba to? Paksiw na bangus. Yeah. So that's one of our favorite ulam here. It's sunny day, morning. So actually we don't have any plan to go around because we're going to use this day to make more rest. Kasi sobrang pagod kahapon, sinunod kami ng PVL live. So natalo nga lang yung aming bias na yung cream line. Yeah, this is our house, our home sweet home. So this is Gio.
Hey guys, why are you here?
It's evening, you know.
It's Vloggeries for today's vlog.
I'm going to do my vlogging era. Yeah, look at that. That's our kitchen, small kitchen actually. Yeah. Look at that. It's our stove. What do you call this? This is the exhaust. And he's watching his vlog. The condiments. Look at that. The wine glass. Liquors. So, hindi mo nag-iinom, but syempre for aesthetics. And our oven.
It's ovening.
So ito, every place na puntahan namin, bibili kami ng mga tawag dyan? Red magnet. So yun, like, we've been to Malaysia, Boracay, Macau. Yeah, recently lang. So, we've been to Disneyland, Hong Kong, and Macau. The water bill, don't mind it. Okay, back to me. And yeah, watching YouTube with Congressman Kiko.
One should not completely trust me because I'm still a politician.
Kumukulo na siya actually. At our garage, marami pa siya kasi yan, daming sampay. Siyempre, every weekend naman talaga kami nakakapagsampay lang o nakakapaglabalan talaga kasi nga may pasok weekdays. May washing machine naman kami kaya okay naman, hindi man gano'ng kahirap. Look at face. This is a bare face of me. Tapos ng hairline, no?